guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I have another classic. This one's 43 years old, the 1978 Tamiya Catalog, a showcase collection of precise scale model kits. They do armor, they do aircraft, they do motorcycles, they do ships, Formula 1, auto racing, and obviously auto racing classics. If you've not been on this channel before, basically I film these catalogs page by page. I pull one out from my stash and open it up so that you can see what the manufacturers are producing back in the day. I film it in the best quality I can, and to see that quality I suggest you go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages a little bit too quickly for your liking, you can slow the video down by going to the cog settings, clicking playback speed and selecting 0.5 or 0.25. Obviously, you can pause the video at any time and then press play once you've seen what you wanted to see on that page. Only 10% of the people who watch these types of videos are subscribers, and it would really help the channel out if you could just please click subscribe. And if you want to see every video that I put out and be notified by YouTube for it, just click the bell icon and select all. And remember, to subscribe to this channel is absolutely free. Anyways, there you go. This is the 1978 Tamiya Catalog. Enjoy. So in this Tamiya Catalogue, you are going to be seeing a lot of models already built. There's not much of box art in here. It's mostly the model built, and they have fantastic artists who build their models up. So it gives you a feeling of what you're going to be getting inside the box. Just quickly, we're going to go through. They always start off, for some reason, with the Formula 1. And this time they've got Mario Andretti in the Valvoline. What car is it again? Oh, Team Lotus JPS. John Player Specials, for cigarettes, Mark III. So there's the Mark III there, Team Lotus's car, and you can see they've got the Gunnar Nielsen there and Mario Andretti there. All right, and then again you got like this. This is the 1:12 scale Tiro P34 Ford 6-wheeler. So this was 6-wheeler. This one, that must have looked pretty smart when it was done. And there it is. There, there's the 6-wheeler. And there's the Lotus. So yeah, you know, so already you're going to see some lovely pictures. That's proper photographs there. Moving on through, as I said, I'm just going to quickly go through. You see they do their bikes. There it is again. This is the, is that 1:12 motor racing? Just looking here. Oh, that's the Porsche racing team and the Tyrrell racing team. So these are all the figures you can get if you wanted to make a diorama, obviously, from that kit. Moving on through, you can see that the change now, it's all basically this sort of colour now. It's like, it's almost like an army sort of colour, isn't it? Or, you know, armour sort of colour. Going through, this is their figures, are 1/35 scale figures, and all their armour there. Quickly moving through diorama sets. There's loads in here. That's pretty smart, isn't it? Just look at it. It looks great. And I think that's the guy who did these models, Francois Verleiden. Is that how it is? Is that how you say it? I presume so. Anyway, just moving on through some lovely box art on there. Can you see that with the Tiger one? And there's a picture there of the West German Leopard Type A4 tank and all the gummins inside, because you can basically have them as remote control. Moving through, there's their boats. Just trying to see where their aircraft is, because it's the aircraft I'm more interested with. Moving through, there's their aircraft here. Look at that, 1/48 scale. There's the Lancaster Dam Buster there, Brewster, the Raiden. Some nice stuff here. And then you have all of the numbers on the back there. And I think we're pretty much done. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That Porsche. Look at that Porsche there just popping out. And there you are. That was the catalogue. And on the back, some more of their models. There's that Lancaster B1, B3. The US light tank, the M5A1. The Martini Porsche. And that Tyrrell. That Tyrrell is, I think, is infamous of Tamiya. And I wish I had one in the box. I'm going to try and buy one this year, just so I can have in a box. Anyways, sorry it was a bit quick one, this one. But that was the 1978 Tamiya Catalogue. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.